Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture on your LG TV. So I got YouTube up in the top right, and then I got my TV channels on the bottom here. So I can click through this just using the scroll wheel. I got all these different options. And what I want to do is go to settings on my remote. Just simply press settings. Once you got this menu up on the left, go to multi-view. And we have side by side, and then we have picture-in-picture. Just go to launch right here and do that. Now it's going to ask you to pick your main screen. You can just click out of this if you want to watch live TV, but it's going to give you the option for live TV, web browser, YouTube, if we go on down. So those are the options. And then I'm not sure what this one is down here. Looks like a little camera. But to pick your smaller window, let's just click over here. And live TV should feed in the background here. So let's just click into this little window. And then we can pick like YouTube right here. Or another live TV source if we want to watch another live TV source. So if we got something playing on YouTube or something that we really want to watch. Now only problem is I'm controlling the actual live TV. I'm not controlling YouTube right now. So you can go into these different options, like you can switch the audio. You can just mute that. You cannot control the live TV app, control it with a remote or a keyboard. So you can just switch it right here. So you can see it's on the YouTube audio and not the live TV audio. So it goes back and forth if you press this button. Then we got settings, and we can go to this. And it says change the view type, and this will be like the side by side. And you can see how this looks. It's just like this. And then there's a bunch of black screens all over the place. Maybe you could get another picture in there in the future or something like that. You get like 4 or 5 different picture-in-pictures. But let's go to picture-in-picture now. And this is what this looks like. And then we can go to control at full screen. So you can decide if you want to control live TV or the YouTube application under here. Whatever you want to control. And then you can change the app. You can move it. So if you don't want it in the top right, you can move this to the bottom, whatever. And then the size. So we got large is an option. And then to get rid of picture-in-picture, you just go to the X right here. And boom, it goes bye-bye. And then we can re-enable it at any point in time by simply going to multi-view. So we can launch it into side-by-side, get everything set up. So we can get the internet browser over here. And that's full screen on that half. And then we can pick our source on the right. So we can launch YouTube over there. So we got the live TV. So sometimes it works exactly how you want. So it seems like whenever I switch over here to YouTube, it kind of deactivates my main one. So I can close this down now and it will just be YouTube. So just play around with it. There are some limitations, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.